Hey y'all, welcome back to my Rugged Earth YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my polish routine to get a mirror finish on sterling silver. Please start off by wearing a dust mask and glasses. I've had metal dust go into my eye and it is not fun and not worth risking your vision for. So please always be sure to wear the protective gear when working with anything that is potentially dangerous. Anyways, if you're starting out or years into the game, I 100% recommend this burr organizer from Foredom. I'll have it linked in the description below. Okay, the first bit we're going to be using is the black silicone polishing wheel from Dodeco. This is a game changer for mirror finishes because it removes the original brushed finish from your metal. First thing you want to do is clean up the ledge of the piece where the sawing took place. This 90-degree ledge can feel a little awkward or rough against a customer's neck. So I do this around all my pieces to make the back plate feel seamless. Now we're on to radial wheels. I got these from Amazon and everything will be linked below. This green wheel is 80 grit, so it can be rough enough to remove any light stamping, so just be sure to keep your eye on that. Now this blue one I'm using is 120 grit, but be sure to check whatever wheels you're using and their grits because the order won't apply to every brand. You want to be sure to start with the roughest grit to the lightest. This means the smallest number to the largest number. My red one is 220 grit, and for all of these grits, I like to sort of cross-hatch them, which is an art term for shading. If you're using the wheels in opposite directions, it allows for more surface area to be covered evenly and overall a smoother finish, so this makes the backplate appear very high shine. This next step is optional. I'm going to be using Rio Grande's Black Max, which is a chemical mixture to oxidize your piece. This is great for adding dimension to your jewelry. I'm using a paintbrush so it's a little bit easier to apply. Be sure not to let this touch your skin, and once you darken the piece, dunk this in some water or baking soda water to sort of deactivate the chemicals so it's safe to touch. Now we're going to be using 400 grit, which is rough enough to remove patina, but also soft enough to leave a great finish. After that is 600 grit, and be sure to keep alternating the direction of the wheels. It may not be shown on video since I have to shorten this by 30 minutes, but the cross-hatching step is really good to do. The last radial wheel that I'm using is 1000 grit. I like to double stack these so that they can get more in the creases and cover surface area faster. Now back to silicone polishing wheels. This is the pink one from Dodeco, which leaves an ultra high shine. I do this around the entire piece as well. Now this last step I'll be using rouge and a soft steel wool bit, but you can use cotton or any sort of material bit. Here's the final product. I hope you all enjoyed watching and maybe you learned something new. Please like this video and subscribe for more. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to comment them down below.